Noswaith dda, bobol. Diolch am wrando, heno. Good evening, folks. Thanks for listening tonight. Burnham yn cynnig dechrau newydd i'r berthynas a Llywodraeth Cymru, meddai gweinidog cabinet. Burnham offers a fresh start to the relationship with the Welsh Government, says a cabinet minister. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif, chant a 38. Series 4 and episode number 338. Llygaid Cwrw. Beer goggles, or beer eyes, literally. Heddiw wedi Sul y 5 o Orffennaf 2026. Today is Sunday, the 5th of July 2026, ac mae hi'n 3 munud ar 10 wedi 10 o'r hwyr. And it is 13 minutes past 10 p.m. What have we got? Today we've got another artist, Llygaid Non, and here's a little bio. So, mae Llygaid Non yn gantores gyfansoddraig o Wynedd sydd wedi dod I sylw am ei chymysgedd o indie pop, soul a elfennau electronic. Llygaid Non is a singer-songwriter from Gwynedd who has come to attention for a mix of indie pop, soul and electronic elements. Yn ogystal â bod yn gerddor, mae hefyd yn animeiddwr ac yn ddarlunydd. As well as being a musician, she is also an animator and illustrator, ac mae'r ochr weledol honno'n chwarae rhan bwysig yn y ffordd mae hi'n cyflwyno ei chyfariaeth a'i phrosiectau creadigol. And that visual side plays an important role in the way she presents her music and creative projects. Dechreuodd Llygaid ryddhau cerddoriaeth fel artist unigol yn 2024 gyda'r single Dwi ar Gau. Llygaid started releasing music as a solo artist in 2024 with the single I'm Closed, Dwi ar Gau. Cafodd y gan sylw ar draws y gyfryngau Cymraeg ac ei geiriau personol a'i sain gyfoes. The song received attention across the Welsh media for its personal lyrics and contemporary sound, gan gyflwyno artist newydd oedd yn gyfuno alawon bachog gyda geiriau gonest am emosiynau. Introducing a new artist who combined catchy tunes with honest words about emotions, iechyd meddwl, mental health, a hunan fynegiant, and self-expression. Yn dilyn hynny, y ryddhawdd ganeuon pellach drwy clust music. She subsequently released further songs through clust music, gan ddatblygu arddull sy'n gyfuno cynnyrchiad modern gyda dylanwadau pop amgen ac R&B. Developing a style that combines modern production with alternative pop and R&B influences. Mae ei cherddoriaeth yn aml yn trafod profiadau personol. Her music often discusses personal experiences, perthnasoedd a hunaniaeth, relationships and identity, gyda llais sy'n symud yn naturiol rhwng eiladau bregus a chorysau hyderus, with a voice that moves naturally between vulnerable moments and confident choruses. Yn ogystal a perfformio ar lwyfannau cerddorol Llywodraeth Cymru, as well as performing on musical stages throughout Wales, mae Llygaid Non yn adnabyddus am ei gwaith fel animeiddwr. Llygaid Non is known for her work as an animator. Mae ei hanimeiddiau wedi cael ei dangos mewn gwyliau rhyngwladol ac mae ei sgiliau gweledol yn cyfrannu at hunaniaeth glir ar draws ei fideos cerddoriaeth a gwaith creadigol. Her animations have been shown at international festivals and her visual skills contribute to a clear identity across her music videos and creative work. And then, mae ei dull yn gyfuno cerddoriaeth, her approach to combining music, celf weledol, visual arts, a storiau personol wedi ei helpu hi adeiladu dilyniant cynyddol, and personal stories has helped to build a growing following. Wrth barhau I ryddhau cerddoriaeth newydd, while continuing to release new music, mae Llygaid yn datblygu llais artistig sy'n sefyll allan ar sîn gerddoriaeth Gymraeg gyfoes. Llygaid is while continuing to release music, Llygaid is developing an artistic voice that stands out on the contemporary Welsh music scene. So yeah, there we go, that's Llygaid. There's a video of hers with the lyrics, which is the name of this episode, Llygaid Cwrw. Click song lyrics, expand, hover on the words, and so on. And then some news, methinks. So, os nad ydyn nhw'n edrych ar ôl eu hunain, pwy arall wnaeth? Rybydd gan ferch ffermwr farw o ganser y croen. If they don't look after themselves, who else will? A warning from a farmer's daughter who died of skin cancer. Awdurdodau cosp yn erbyn weinyddiaeth amddiffyn ar ôl I 2 filwr farw mewn ffrwydrad tank yng Nghymru. Punishment authorised against the Ministry of Defence after 2 soldiers died in a tank explosion in Wales. Dreth dwrstiaeth sydd wedi bod yn Ffrainc ers dros ganrif. The tourist tax that has been in France for over a century. Signal ffôn mewn ardal ar Ynys Môn wedi bod yn oes y cerrig. Telephone signal in an area of Anglesey like being in the Stone Age. Cydweithio ar gymuned o'r ffordd I darfandau Cymru lwyddo. Cydweithio ar gymuned o'r ffordd I darfandau Cymru lwyddo. Collaboration with the community is the way for Welsh pubs to succeed. And then I've got some lyrics to a song I've written today. It is, os dywedwch chi rhywbeth diddorol, if you say something interesting, dwi am ymuno. I want to join. Dwi'n torri ar draws yn aml. I'm sorry, I often interrupt, or I often cut across. Oh, I cut across often, however you want to read it. Neu byddaf yn anghofio, or I will forget. That's what happens when people are on the spectrum jump in and talk over the top of you. They're often doing it because they know that they'll forget what they want to say and they're enthusiastic about what you've said. So it's a form of praise rather than being rude, really. Anyway, moving on. Sorry, dwi ddim yn golygu. Sorry, I don't mean doeddwn I ddim yn bwriadu. I didn't mean to. Dwi ddim yn sorry, dwi ddim yn golygu. Felly peidiwch a phoeni. Sorry, I don't mean, so don't worry. Dim ond ein geiriau ni y bydd ein geiriau ni. Only our words, the world and our words. Dim ond ein geiriau ni yn hapus I rannu, yn hapus I rannu. Just our words, happy to share, happy to share. And then there's some more words as well. Os dywedwch chi rhywbeth cyfarwydd. If you say something familiar, dwi'n am gyfrannu. I want to contribute. Dwi'n sorry ti'n hoffi dy unigrwydd. I'm sorry you like your solitude. Mwyn anadlu, in order to breathe. Mae'n ddrwg gen i. Sorry. Dwi ddim yn golygu. I don't mean. Doeddwn i ddim yn bwriadu. I didn't mean to. Sorry. Dwi ddim yn golygu. I don't mean. Felly, peidiwch a phoeni. So don't worry. Dim ond ein geiriau ni, y byd a'n geiriau ni. Only our words, the world and our words. Dim ond ein geiriau ni, yn hapus I rannu. Just our words, happy to share, happy to share. And yeah, it just repeats a little bit. So there you go, and there's the song. Thanks for listening. Bye. Dywedwch chi rhywbeth ddiddorol, dwi am ymuno. Dwi'n sorry, dwi'n torri, a dros yn aml, neu byddaf yn anghofio. Sorry, dwi ddim yn golygu, do'n I ddim yn bwriadu. Sorry, dwi ddim yn golygu, felly peidiwch a phoeni. Dim ond geiriau ni, y byd a'n geiriau ni. Dim ond geiriau ni, yn hapus I rannu. Dim ond geiriau ni, y byd a'n geiriau ni. Dim ond geiriau ni, yn hapus I rannu.